5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Just doing that much for now. Okay, so the way that works, gentlemen and ladies, give me one second, guys, we'll get there. So from here, 4 points of contact. Right hand on the lady's shoulder blade, not hit the lady. Elbow to elbow here on 2. Ladies, your contact is up here on the guy's right shoulder on 3. Very good. Firm, nice firm grip. Just getting you back for that last hit. Here we go. And the 4th point of contact, guy's thumb in the lady's hand. So go ahead, grab the lady. We're going to break into our basic, gentlemen, breaking on your left, then going back on your right on 2. Ladies, you're going to break with your right on 1, left on 2. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Very good. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Open up when you go way back, guys. 1, open up. 5, 6, 7. From here, second basic, you do a crossbody lead. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so basically a crossbody lead.